Hello everyone! This video is going to be short and practical so you can start implying those bits of advice right away, but after you watch this video till the end, of course. My name is Darina and I run a psychology vlog for a happier living. So let's get started. A lot of people think that finding love is the most difficult part. However, to keep a relationship and most importantly to be happy in this relationship, this is a number one priority. Otherwise, why do you even need it? So tip number one that will help you to improve your relationship is quality time, just two of you. A lot of people can physically spend a lot of time together, go to parties where there are other people, have family dinners, and from the side it does look like they spend a lot of time together. But quantity does not always mean quality. What do I mean by quality time, just two of you? It's time when you really connect. Time without other people, TV, or even mobile phones. The main idea is to be present in the moment. If you have an opportunity to go away for a weekend when there is no phone connection or other distracting factors, that would be awesome. If no, even walk together a couple of hours weekly can be great if there is no other opportunity. Tip number two, ask deep questions. And I'm not talking about questions like, do you even remember that it is my mom's birthday next week? The questions should help you to understand an inner world of a person. It should show that their opinion and their view on certain situations are important to you, and as a consequence, they are important to you. Expand those dialogues, add more questions, ask how they would act in this or other situation. If you struggle with finding interesting topics to talk about, get those cards with questions, or I think if you type on the web 100 questions to ask your partner or something like that, it can be also great. I bet you're going to love this experience. Plus, you might even find out something new about your partner. Just make sure that you do not get into sensitive topics like politics or religion if you know you might not have the same opinion. Tip number three, become your partner's biggest fan. And I want to emphasize that this point equally relates to both men and women, because somehow it culturally happened that women are the ones who get all the compliments, but men do not. So this has to be changed. Men love to hear or feel that they're special, lovely, interesting, and so on. So that's all for today. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in the next videos.